Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Valgro India Limited. Today, let me introduce you one of the deburring and finishing series, Hybrid 14, with working width of 300 mm and thickness you can adjust from 1 mm to 75 mm. In this, the material you can deburr and finish it's copper, brass, aluminium and any other metal component. Let me go to the control panel of Hybrid 14. This is a control panel of Hybrid series. It has a belt on and off, second head brush on and off, thickness adjustment of it. Third head belt on and off, thickness adjustment of it. In this you can adjust the conveyor speed also. This is the conveyor on and off and it also have a conveyor up and down system. Let me show you the inside technology of the machine. This is the first head which has do the deburring and grinding of the component. This is the second head which have a PCRS grade brush for finishing. This is the third head which can provide you the fine finishing. The grade of this head is PSM. This is the output area of the machine. Here the finished components comes out.